Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Brinjal and potato vegetable with dry prawns. A truly comforting Goan style dish that brings together all three in one irresistible blend of coastal flavor. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for brinjal potato with dry prawns vegetable. This delicious dish perfectly balances the earthy taste of brinjal, the softness of potatoes, and the deep savory aroma of dried prawns, all enhanced by Goan spices, fresh coconut, curry leaves, and a hint of red chili. It's simple, hearty, and full of authentic coastal flavor that pairs beautifully with rice, chapati, or Goan bread. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious brinjal potato with dried prawns vegetable. Step 1. Preparing the brinjal. We have taken 4 brinjals, also known as eggplant or aubergine, weighing around 300 to 350 grams. Wash the brinjals nicely. Add half teaspoon of salt in a bowl containing water. Mix it well. Take a brinjal and cut its stem and discard it. Now cut the brinjal into quarts, like I have shown. Then take each quarter and cut it into 2. Place the brinjal pieces in the bowl containing water. Soak them for 10 to 15 minutes in order to prevent discoloration. Now keep them aside. Step 2. Preparing the potato. We have taken 1 medium-sized potato weighing around 200 grams. Wash, clean and peel the skin. Then take the potato and cut it into medium-sized cubes. Transfer them to a bowl containing water to prevent discoloration. Now keep them aside. Step 3. Preparing the dry prawns. We have taken half cup of dried prawns. Take a dry prawn, remove the tail, legs and the head and discard. Similarly, clean the other dry prawns. Once done, transfer them in a bowl and rinse them in water. Then soak the dry prawns in water and keep it aside. Step 4. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut the onion the way I have shown. We need broader onion slices. Similarly, cut the other onion. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Take half cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Half cup of freshly grated coconut. Take half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 5. Preparing the brinjal and potato vegetable with dry prawns. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds. As soon as the jeera seeds start spluttering, add the onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the garlic pieces and stir. After a minute, Add the curry leaves or curry patta and stir. After a minute, drain the water from the potato cubes and add them. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. Stir fry the potatoes for around 2 minutes. Now cover and cook for 2 minutes. Check frequently to prevent it from sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Add little water if required. Add the slit green chilies and stir. Add the dried prawns. Stir fry them for around 2 minutes. Now add the tomatoes. Stir everything properly. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to prevent it from sticking to the pan. It also helps to soften the tomatoes faster. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir everything nicely. Add the coriander powder.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Check frequently to prevent sticking and add little water if required. Now add the brinjal pieces. Stir fry them for around 2 minutes. Add little water whenever required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. We added around 3 tablespoons of water. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Cover and cook. Check frequently to prevent sticking and add little water if required. Stir everything nicely. Check if the potato and brinjal is cooked. Once cooked, add the freshly grated coconut. Mix everything properly. Then add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything nicely. Delicious brinjal potato vegetable with dry prawns is ready. You can serve this vegetable hot with rice, curry or bread. You can also have it with chapati or roti.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.